Beli baru ini di new trap channel bawa lama pi ki khubor laitkam but ki khubor laitkam anta kata yau kilo kumne the Meghalaya AYUSH Society Recruitment 2024 notification and disabled post. The District AYUSH Society Meghalaya invites application for the various jobs vacancies in 50-bedded integrated hospital Sora East Khasi District Program Management Unit and in various PC or CHC in East Khasi. The application deadline is 23rd February 2024. Post Muslim Medical Health Officer Mopati, number of post 3, age limit 32, 5-year relaxation for ST or SC, salary 32,000, essential qualification BHMS degree. Post number 2, Muslim Medical Health Officer Ayurveda, number of post 3, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation ST or SC, salary 33,000, essential qualification BMS degree. Number 3, post name nursing in charge. Number post 1, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation SPSC, salary 28,000, essential qualification BSc nursing. Post name nursing staff, bow post 12, male 6, female 6, age limit 22 years, 5-year relaxation for SPSC, salary 22,000, essential qualification BSc nursing or GM. By post name, sometimes number of post 1 is limit 22 years, 5-year relaxation for SPSC, salary 20,000, essential qualification graduate in commerce or become with diploma in computer. Six, post name midwife, number of post 4, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for SPSC, salary 13,000, essential qualification KAM nursing. Post 7, post name yoga instructor, number of post 1, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for STSC, salary 13,000, essential qualification diploma in yoga. A, post name lab technician, number of post 2, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST or SC, salary 13,000, essential qualification diploma in medical laboratory and technology. 9. Post name pharmacist. Number of post 2, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 13,000. Essential qualification B Pharmacy, Ayurveda or D Pharma. Then post name dispenser. About post 1, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 13,000. Essential qualification person with certificates in homeopathy. 11. Post name Panchakarma Tech. Post name Panchakarma Tech. Number post 2, age limit 32, salary 12,000, qualification Panchakarma technician. Post name DO. Number post 1, age limit 32 years, salary 13,000, qualification graduate in any disciple with diploma in computer. Then post name registration clerk. Number of post 1, age limit 32 years, salary 9,000, essential qualification graduate in any disciple with diploma in computer. Then post name storekeeper or collect. Number of post 2, age limit 32 years, salary 9,000, qualification graduate in any disciple with computer. Then post name measure. Number post 4, age limit 32 years, salary 9,000, qualification 12 pass. 16. Post name dresser. Number post 2, limit 32 years, salary 8,500, qualification 12 pass. Then post name one boy elder. Number post 8, mawphor, age limit 32 years, salary 8,500. Then post name sweeper. Number post 6, age limit 32 years, salary 8,500, qualification 8 pass. Then post name 19. Post name cook. Number post 2, age limit 32 years, salary 8,500, qualification 10 pass. The post name Chawkidar. Number post 3, age limit 32 years, salary 1,500, qualification 10 pass. Post name Peon. Number post 4, age limit 32 years, salary 8,500, qualification 8 pass. Post name Jamandars. Number post 6, age limit 32 years, salary 8,500, qualification 8 pass. Vacancies under district AYUSH society PHC or CHC within Khasi Hills. Number 1, post name medical health officer AYUSH. Number post 12, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for ST/SC, salary 40,000, qualification BHMS or BAMS, 5 years, course with 1-year compulsory internship from recognized university. Number 2, post name MPW, about post 12, age limit 32 years, 5-year relaxation for STSC, salary 15,000, qualification ANM, nursing or 12 pass. And how to apply. Eligible candidate may send their application in standard form along with relevant certificate to the AYUSH Department Room number 102 Civil Shillong on or before 23rd February 2024 up to 4:30 p.m. Candidates who wish to apply more than one post may apply separately for each post. The written test will be conducted for all categories of posts and the date of written test will be published later. Applicants are advised to go through the Meghalaya AYUSH Society Recruitment 2024 official notification. Kitang kini, God bless you.